Hi guys, happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are doing well. Please make sure this week to send your work to me, okay? I'm going to start taking attendance this week, and the way that I will take attendance with our class is if you send me your work, I know you are on the Google Classroom and working, okay? So please send me your work so that I know you're doing the work, okay? That's how I'm going to be taking attendance this week. Also, if you need help figuring out how to send pictures of your work through Google Classroom, please watch Miss Nishimura's video at the top of the stream tab. So you go over to stream and I put Miss Nishimura's video at the top. So it should be right there. Watch that video that Miss Nishimura posted if you're still confused on how to submit your work through Google Classroom. Or you can always text me a picture of your work too, okay? So please send me your work so that I know you're doing it, and I would love to see how you're doing, okay? My main priority, as always with you guys, is that you are safe and that you are healthy. If your family needs food, please text me or call me, and I can tell you the places that you guys can go to get food, okay? All right, so that's the announcements for today. I'm going to display the writing prompt for today. Our writing prompt today is what makes you happy, okay? So in the word box, it says family, friends, learning, sports. Is there a certain food that you like that makes you happy, okay? So, or anything else, if it's not in the word box, that's totally okay too, okay? So what makes you happy? Here's your writing prompt for today. Please make sure to use uppercase and lowercase letters, periods at the end of your sentences, and read your writing afterwards and see if it makes sense, okay? Make sure that your writing makes sense, okay? So here's the writing prompt for today. Awesome job. You did your writing prompt for today. Great job. Now you're going to fix the sentences that I display. Please make sure to use uppercase and lowercase letters in the correct places. Look for spelling. Make sure the words match what's on the screen, okay? And make sure you have periods at the end of your sentences, okay? So here's the fix your sentences activity for today. Awesome job. You fixed your sentences and you have your writing prompt. Now I'm going to help you with the next ELA video, okay, of the other person teaching. So first thing that the other teacher is going to have you do is she's going to have you write down 3 sentences. And the sentence starters are, a good thesis statement gives the blank of the essay. And the other sentence starter is, a good thesis statement also provides the blank points. So the next ELA video of the other person teaching is all about thesis statements, okay? She is going to give you a couple sentences and you're going to have to write them down. She is going to give you information about what thesis statements are and how to write them, okay? Make sure that you have your thinking cap on and that you're listening, okay? So I'm going to display the next piece of paper. This is to help you be ready for the next ELA video, okay? So do not fill in the blanks right now. She's going to help you fill in those blanks in the next video, okay? So just get these sentence starters down on a piece of paper. You do not have to fill in the blanks right now. She will help you fill in the blanks in the next video, okay? So get these down on a piece of paper. You can pause the video always if you need to. Awesome job! You have your sentence starters ready for the next video. Now, another thing I want you to have ready for the next video. She is going to give you examples of thesis statements and non-examples of thesis statements. What you're going to do is write down which column that it goes with. So she'll give you a sentence and she'll say, is this an example of a thesis statement or is this a non-example of a thesis statement? Is it a good example of a thesis statement or is it not really a thesis statement? Okay, so what you're going to do in the next video is write down which sentences are thesis statements on one side and non-examples on the other side, okay? And she will explain that more in the next ELA video. I just want you for now to have the chart set up, okay? So get this chart on a piece of paper so that you are ready for the next ELA video. Awesome job. You've done your writing prompt, you fixed your sentences, you have your sentence starters ready, and you have your chart ready. Last thing before you start the next ELA video. At the end of the next ELA video, she is going to have you write your own thesis statement, okay? She should have already explained throughout the video how to write one, examples of a couple different ones, okay? So at the end, she is going to ask you to write your own thesis statement. That's a little tricky. So I gave you a sentence starter if you want it to help you with that thesis statement, okay? If you feel like you don't need that sentence starter and you want to create your own, that's totally fine. If you need a little help in a way to get started on your thesis statement, you may use this sentence starter that I will give you, okay? Whether you're going to use this sentence starter or not, please at the top of the paper, at least have it ready by writing my Emma's Rug central message thesis statement. Okay, so at least have that in the date at the top regardless. If you want to use my sentence starter, write that down in red. It's in red. Have it down on a piece of paper. And this is all so that you are ready for the next ELA video. You're not filling in the blanks right now, but you will in the next ELA video, okay? So have this down on a piece of paper so that you are ready. Phew, that was a lot of writing, but you are all set for the next ELA video, okay? If you have any questions about any of the work today, you can always call me or text me between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m., okay? I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please let me know if you need anything. I miss you guys so much, and I will talk to you later. Bye.